Flowers have blooms, the ocean has waves, the sky has clouds, people have days.